Welcome back to our series on food and the growing mind. In today's episode, we're talking about one of the most underrated brain boosters, whole grains. From oats and quinoa to brown rice and whole wheat bread, these foods are simple, familiar, and incredibly powerful for your child's focus, energy, and overall cognitive development. Let's start with how whole grains actually work in the body. The brain's main source of fuel is glucose, a type of sugar that provides energy for every thought, movement, and memory. But here's the key: the brain doesn't like sugar highs and crashes. It needs a steady, slow release of energy. That's exactly what whole grains do. Unlike refined grains, which are stripped of fiber and nutrients, whole grains still have all their natural layers: the bran, germ, and endosperm. These layers slow down digestion, giving the brain a steady stream of glucose instead of quick spikes and drops. The result? Kids stay alert, focused, and energized throughout the day, especially during school hours. Now let's talk about concentration and learning. When blood sugar levels drop, children may feel tired, irritable, or struggle to pay attention. But when their energy levels stay balanced, they can concentrate longer, process information better, and perform more consistently in class. Whole grains, like oats for breakfast, quinoa in lunch bowls, or brown rice for dinner, help maintain that balance. They give kids the mental stamina to stay engaged from morning lessons to afternoon homework without the energy crash that comes from sugary snacks or white bread. But whole grains don't just power the brain, they also help the gut, and that's just as important. Remember the brain-gut connection we talked about in earlier episodes? The fiber in whole grains feeds the good bacteria in the gut. These bacteria play a big role in mood, memory, and focus. When kids eat more fiber-rich foods like oats, brown rice, or whole wheat bread, they're not just supporting digestion, they're nurturing their gut microbiome, which in turn helps the brain function at its best. A healthy gut equals a calmer, more focused mind. So how can you make whole grains part of your family's everyday meals? Here are a few easy ideas. Start the morning with oats, top with berries or banana for natural sweetness. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa in your child's favorite dishes. Choose whole wheat bread or wraps instead of white. Try popcorn as a fun whole grain snack. Just skip the extra butter and sugar. Each of these small swaps adds up to more fiber, more nutrients, and better brain fuel for your child's day. What's great about whole grains is how versatile they are. You can bake with them, mix them into salads, or even hide them in snacks. And over time, as your child gets used to their hearty flavor and texture, they'll start to prefer them naturally. It's a gentle shift that makes a lasting difference for their health and learning. So, to wrap up today's episode, remember this: whole grains help build steady minds. They give the brain consistent energy, support a healthy gut, and keep kids alert, focused, and ready to learn. From oats and quinoa to brown rice and whole wheat bread, these simple foods are everyday heroes in your child's brain development. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on food, gut health, and raising brighter minds. Your support helps us reach more parents like you. See you in the next episode.